You finally finished your song, but if you're honest with yourself, you still can't tell if it's any good. Here's the hard truth. A friend saying, "I love it," isn't feedback. You can't hear your own blind spots, and most songs never get one honest note. Getting a real critique used to mean gatekeepers, long waits, or expensive studio sessions. So most of us just release it and hope. That changes now. This is SongPro IQ, your songwriting command center. Professional feedback without the gatekeepers or the cost. First, it tunes to you, your experience, your genre, your goals. So every note fits exactly where you are. Start a new song and write right here. Lyrics, structure, everything in one place. Then just click Analyze. Now the part that changes everything. I read your song like a seasoned pro would. What's working, what isn't, and exactly what to fix. Line by line. No ego, no guessing. Want the structured read? That's review. Want to talk it through? That's me. Ask Heather anything about your song. Get an honest score across 12 categories. Your strengths, your weak spots, and a clear target to beat next time. Not sure where to start? Opportunities shows you what to fix first to lift your score the most, so your effort actually pays off. And when you're ready to grow, there's a full academy, 153 lessons, a music coach, and pro writing tools right beside your lyrics. Writing with someone? Invite them to co-write and settle the split, all in one place. Song after song, you'll watch your craft and your scores climb. Everything you need in one place. Write, critique, score, improve, and get your songs heard. So stop guessing. Start finishing stronger songs. SongPro IQ. Start free today.